Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set Google Photos as default gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, obviously go ahead and get yourself Google Photos app, allow full access, and then once you have everything going on, you need to simply go ahead, go back, and then go to your settings right over here and scroll down to apps, then tap on default app, and then you should be able to find an option called gallery/photos. Right, for me it's not available, but once you have found the option, you can tap on it, for example like this. Then you will find two options: your inbuilt, your phone's original default Photos app, and the Google Photos. Now choose the Google Photos, and once you see the check mark, you're good to go. That's mean that has been set as the default app. Now you can go back, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.